I'm gonna lay down 5 things I hate about this whole pop-up event. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Elizabeth Quest, and today I want to talk about pop-up events and my ultimate decision of most likely never doing them again. It is one of the most interesting way of selling things, and well, to tell you the truth, I thought that was the answer for me for my own way of selling. But I realized within just two pop-up events and a mock-up party event that I realized with my family that I realized that the pop-up and going to people's house was not for me and possibly not for you. It could be for other people, but definitely not for me. And I just want to let you know 5 things, and I'm gonna break them down for you to tell you exactly why I disliked the pop-up events journey. One of the things that I realized, first things first, it's that in order for you to go to the pop-up event, you definitely have to pack everything from machines, from products, printer, generator if you need to, a way to transport everything. It was like if I was moving from one place to another all the time, taking everything down to the car, organizing it, and then try not to forget anything because I totally forgot many things. I had to send my niece to get them for me, and then it was like sometimes the trips to one place to another is like about 40 minutes, and it was just not a good benefit way to do it. Not only that, the fact that I had to go and drag everything to the pop-up event, set up everything like a really nice shop, then put it 3 hours later, 4 hours later, put it down, up and pack it up, and let's go back. And it was just an exhausting thing that I had to do. And well, if it wasn't for my family, I think I wouldn't have done it. It is an exhausting thing, and that's one of the things I dislike. I don't want to pack everything again and take it to people. I just want to leave it in one place, and that's it. That is one of the things I dislike about the whole pop up event. Number two would be the temperature. Depending on the temperature, it could be really hot, and I get really bad headache, especially if you're not hydrated. Oh my god, your headache, you get nauseated, and it's so much heat, and it's just so much things that you have to go through. Temperature, make sure you have enough water, the food also, and it's just not being hydrated. The temperature, doing it out in the outdoors, it's fine for other people, but I wouldn't be able to do this for more than the 2 times that I went. I could, but I just realized I have to be true to myself. That life is not for me. It could be for other people, and I am very impressed for them because not people can do it. And I gotta tell you, it's not me. It's not me. The third thing that I hate, dislike. I know word hate, it's such a harsh word, but it is. I dislike it. I don't like pop up. I could probably do it once in a while, but I really rather not do it. It's not my vibe. And the fact that it's so exhausting, mentally exhausting to try to have everything prepared, try to everything have everything like packed in your things, make sure you have your designs, every laptop charging, printer charge. It just the way I was doing it, I don't think I would do it again. I don't maybe taking physical products. I haven't tried that, but I will. For the purpose of giving you an answer as my own personal experience, I will. I'm gonna do one more pop ups, and probably in the next couple weeks. Um, I'm gonna figure it out like maybe in a month or so when I'm settled. I'm actually in the transition of moving from one place to another, And so once I settle down, I will look for a pop-up event and just take things that uh already created and sell the things that I have. I don't know. That could be different because it could be less things, less exhausting, but I don't know yet. Can I give you an exact answer? But I will do it and I will keep you an update once I create that. I don't know when, maybe in a month or two, when like I said, I'm settled down. I will test that theory and tell you which pop-up version event I would rather do, or if I would do it again or not, because I really didn't do that taking the products already made, or taking any other type of products that I have to sell. Maybe it'll be different. I don't know. But I will keep you updated whenever I do that video. Number four. Number four is the fact that in the two pop-up events that I did, even though I gained experience and that is priceless, what I paid, I really didn't get back. In one pop-up, I paid about, if I'm not incorrect, it was $85, and the other one was another $100, if I'm not mistaken. Well, I didn't really sell much. On one, I sold about 40, $50 at the most, and the other one I sold about $25, which um I wouldn't wanna. That it's a lot of investment to pay, so I don't get back. So I'm basically losing money going to pop up events. Maybe if I would find like a free pop up event, I could possibly be okay with that, but I don't know. I haven't gone through that. But when I do, I'll definitely make a video about it and let you know how it went. Number five, electricity. Some of the pop-up events, they don't offer electricity, so you have to drag the generator to the shop, to the place. And I don't have one, so I had to borrow one. It was exhausting. Just planning the whole thing was super exhausting, mentally draining. I don't think just for me. I think my whole family was exhausted. The ones that went to help me, and I feel like all that it just it's too much. I feel, at least for me, um, and I'd rather not do it. But for the purpose, like I said, for the purpose of this theory, testing new things, seeing if it works or if it not works, I would definitely make a video in the future. Once I settle down to do a pop-up event where I don't get charged and I sell already pre-made things. So yeah, these are the five things I really dislike about pop-up events. I mean, maybe because I just did two, that could probably be the reason for it, but it was not an impressive thing for me to do, and I really rather not do it again. But I don't know. I am so impressed and impressed of others who actually dedicate going to pop-up events, and I'm just like impressed that they are able to do it, and I'm just like in awe. So respect. And well, if you've done pop-up events and you can give me some tips, hey, hit up on the comments, let me know, because I really would like to not give up on it 100%. But for the time being, I probably won't do it unless I'm doing the testing video that I'm thinking of doing it, just to try it out one last try to the pop up journey. If you have any questions, please comment below. If you have any tips, of course, also. And don't forget to follow, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Ta da!